made it. We're at O'Reilly's Rainforest Retreat. Gorgeous.
Beautiful place.
Look at the views. It's just
Part of
amazing.
Lamington National Park.
Yeah, it's just amazing, and it's a
A
little
little
cold for us.
We're high up.
Yeah, but it's just like incredible story how they started here. It's an Irish family that came, and it's just a spectacular story. And it's
cool.
now, it was, I believe, the first national park here, and it's just incredible. But just look at that view. Oh my gosh, what a treat. So glad you're here. You're in for a real treat. So, another place in Australia that we totally recommend coming to. So Riley's is about 1.5 to 2 hours from Brisbane, and about an hour, maybe the same, from the Gold Coast. You can do it in a day, but as you're going to see from the video, the drive is a little impressive. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous, and the views are just amazing, but it will tire you out. The way back we felt it was quicker, and it wasn't as difficult, but on the way there, maybe because we didn't know where we were going and all that, it took us a little bit longer, and we didn't really stop to take photos until the very end when we got into Lamington National Park. But the ride, you're going to have your wits about you for the drive, but well worth it. And we stayed a couple days in O'Reilly, and I'm so glad to show you the video of our stay. Birds, volcanoes, hiking, great views, great people, great food, and wonderful, relaxing stay. A shout out to Gretel, the people at O'Reilly's, and the people from Maryland that we met, Betty and her husband. Another quick note, there is a great place for a pie or breakfast called the Outpost on the way to O'Reilly's. Either way, if you're going from the Gold Coast or Brisbane, stop and pick up some things on your way there. This is the road we're on, and we've already done about 20 kilometers of this. Highway to Heaven. I think this is when they wrote the song Highway to Heaven. They were talking about this road. Because look, it's crazy, this dirt. Oh my God.
Here's an end one lane and start another.
Oh, one lane.
And it looks the same to me.
I know. Look, another one lane, 2 seconds later. We've had like 5 of these. Look, and one lane.
Start another.
One more turn. Cross our fingers. Oh wow, look at that view. I can't see over the rail. We made it.
Beautiful. The plane. How did that plane get here?
Worth the crazy drive. Really. Morning. We're ready for a morning bird watching tour, and we can't find the group. We ended up finding the group. It turns out we were a half an hour too early for the bird walk. Enjoy.
Really vibrant little strawberry. I've got some crushed up walnuts here.
Turn. So cool. This is awesome. He's like, and then he's decided to scare the bejeebies out of me. They like you. It's good luck. It's called a wonga vine. Not a wonka vine, a wonga vine. What a great, that'd make a great drawing. That's the story. The rock commemorates the Stinson air disaster. We heard the story about it last night. Which way do we go? Which way do we go? Yeah, I hope the volcano's still extinct. That's funny. I forgot about the dingoes.
Dingo ate my baby.
Oh, that's so sad. All right. Just make sure we're not history. We decided we're going back.
Looking for dingoes.
We are headed to the treetop circuit. We're going to be suspended in the rainforest from the trees from above and looking down at them. Oh boy. Okay.
As the first of its kind treetop walk in Australia.
As the first in the
world.
world.
It's in Australia.
Wow.
We gotta do this.
I hope they've done some fixing up since
Wait,
then.
how old is it?
I know, 1933. Shrek, I'm looking down. Oh, geez. Geez, I can't. Shrek, I'm holding on to the phone and I'm looking down. I gotta look where I'm going. There's a whole bunch of cables on here, so it's okay. Oh, boy. Let me show you the other side. Yep, I guess we're pretty high up, and that's where we're going. I should let Albert hold on to the camera.
The forest is below us.
Oh boy, here. You got me here. Oh boy. Warning. At your own risk. Oh wow. Yep, there's somebody there. Hi.
Do you want us to get out of your photo?
No, I kind of like it for perspective. Cool. Thanks. Thanks. See how high up we are? It's not like I can really enjoy this because I'm a little freaked out. I'm doing it. And that's what matters. Oh boy, they're coming up behind me and they're shaking. You hear the creaks and the bouncing. Yep, I'm not the bravest when it comes to these height things. Oh my God, it's bouncing around too much. I'm hurrying up to get off this
creaky, creaky. It's shaking too much. I don't even want to know how high up we are. I'm finished. Done. Look at this guy. No, you're gonna poop in my hair. Oh, he's beautiful though. Hello. Hello.
Little nails. Look at himself when you have no hair.
Look at. Hello. Hello, look. He's looking at himself. Hello. Who is that? Hello. And? Hello.
That's the kind of thing. Oh, you get away.